The Galeco Style 2 system has three types of brackets: metal cover fascia brackets, flat metal fascia brackets, and reinforced rafter brackets. The metal cover fascia brackets have locks at the bottom to which the cover is attached. The flat metal fascia brackets and rafter brackets have no locks. The cover cannot be installed when these two types of brackets are used. If the cover is to be installed on the gutter system, the gutters should be installed without a slope or with a small slope of 1 mm per 1 metre of length. Greater slopes may make it impossible to fasten the cover. If the cover is not to be installed in the system, the gutters should be installed with a slope of 3 mm per 1 metre of length. The Galeco Style 2 system includes gutter joiners that are to be mounted rigidly to the fascia board and only used for connecting gutter sections. Before setting the gutter to the joiner, spray the surface with a Seal lubricant spray. The gutters and downspouts of the Galeco Style 2 system should be cut with a hacksaw or sheet metal shears. It is forbidden to use grinding tools, as the high temperature generated during cutting will damage the protective coating of the sheet and its core. The maximum distance from the bracket to the gutter joiner, outlet or end cap is 15 cm, and the maximum distance between the brackets is 60 cm. The gutter should be positioned in relation to the roof end so that an imaginary line extending from it passes over the outer edge of the gutter, and so that rainwater falls into the gutter. Start the installation of the gutter by setting the outmost brackets. If the cover is to be installed on the gutter system, the gutter should be installed without a slope or with a small slope of 1 mm per 1 metre of length. Greater slopes may make it impossible to fasten the cover. Then install the gutter joiners where the gutter sections meet. To ensure the bottom of the gutter adheres properly to the seal, the gutter joiners should be approximately 1 to 2 mm higher than the adjacent brackets. Then install the remaining brackets at a distance of 15 cm from the gutter joiners, end caps and planned outlet, and maximum distance of 60 cm from the other brackets. In the place where the outlet is to be installed, cut a square hole in the bottom of the gutter with a minimum dimension of 80 by 80 mm and maximum of 90 by 90 mm. Bend the edges of the hole in line with the direction of the rainwater flow and protect them against corrosion with touch-up paint. Before installing the gutter in the brackets, install the end cap. Apply sealant on the inside of the end cap and fit the cap onto the end of the first gutter. Drill and screw the rear edge of the end cap to the rear lip of the gutter. Apply the sealant on the inside where the edge of the gutter is in contact with the end cap. Insert the gutter into the brackets, starting from the beginning of the gutter line. Use the gutter joiners to join the rest of the gutter sections, keeping a minimum expansion distance of 5 to 10 mm. Once the gutter has been installed, bend over the mounting tabs on the brackets. Install the underhung outlet in the previously cut hole in the gutter and bend over the mounting tabs. Install the corners before inserting the gutter into the brackets. Apply 2 lines of sealant on the inside of the corner, then press the glued area together and bend over the mounting tab. Leave space between the downpipe clamps of a maximum distance of 1.8 meters. Fit the wall plugs and screw in the clamps. This is how to install the downpipe using a socket. This is how to install a downpipe using elbows. Insert the downpipe into the clamps and connect them with the socket. Cut a hole equal to the size of the downpipe, which is usually 70 by 80 mm, in the flap of the universal gully. This hole is marked on the universal gully. At the end of the downpipe, install the universal gully and the flexible elbow. You can find out more by visiting guttersupplies.co.uk.